everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a discount at a service level for all children that will waive the gap fee. Please note that this option's only available for services within Victoria. By creating the discount at a service level, this will apply the gap fee discount for your permanent workers, vulnerable children, and children that are absent. To complete this action, you're going to click on your service menu and under General, click Details. You're then going to click on the Discounts tab. Click here to add a new discount. Select the effective from date and the effective to date. The discount type, you're going to select the percentage of booking gap fee, and to waive the full gap fee, you're going to enter in 100%. Select the discount category. You can either use the system type standard or you can create your own. Tick all days and leave the default for all rooms. And then you can click Save. If you are creating the discount for a start date for sessions that have already been submitted to CCS, you would need to remember to tick Submit Varied Session Reports. Once you click Save, that has created the service level discount for all children within that date range in your service. Again, this is for your permitted workers, vulnerable children, and children that are absent. To review these discounts, you can click on the Reports menu, and under the Financial, you can click on Discounts. For more information in regards to waiving the gap fee, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.